Jess Markison, Naral Pro-Choice Minnesota, SCOTUS Project Director. Today we're going to go over potential scenarios from the Supreme Court regarding Whole Woman's Health v. Hellerstedt. So the first and worst scenario is that the justices would do away with the undue burden standard, allowing the Texas law to go into full effect. It would also give a green light to other states to enact more abortion restrictions. So as we talked about in the last video, there are two provisions of Whole Woman's Health versus Hellerstedt. One is admitting privileges and the second is ambulatory surgical center standards. The Supreme Court could rule that one of them is an undue burden and the other is not. Laws similar to the provision that were struck down would fall, but laws similar to the provision that were upheld would stand, and anti-choice legislatures across the country would enact similar measures. The next possible decision is that the court is split 4-4, which means the Fifth Circuit's decision would go into full effect. Texas would lose 10 more clinics, leaving them with 9. Other anti-choice circuits would take notice of the decision and rule accordingly. Again, this could trigger a domino effect, resulting in more measures to prevent women from accessing abortion. Another potential scenario is the Supreme Court could remand the case. So they would send it back to Texas, seeking more evidence for the impacts of the law. Texas's 19 abortion clinics would remain open in the meantime. And finally, the court could determine that both provisions of the law pose an undue burden. They could strike down Texas's law cleanly, and other anti-choice restrictions similar to Texas's would fall. This is the decision we need to happen so that women have the freedom to plan their lives and their families. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video where I'll be discussing how this impacts us at a state level, and I'll be answering your questions. Don't forget to check us out on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and our website, prochoiceminnesota.org.